hair done, and then some crochet braids. So right now, since y'all seen that my edges are very, very thin, she's gonna add some hair in as she braid, just so it gives a more of a sturdy, strong look. And, yeah. All right, guys, so you just heard it. My sister's getting ready to do my hair, and she's gonna do a crochet style. She's gonna be using loose curly hair, and you'll see that at close at the end of the video. But right now, she's gonna braid the front of my hair and do a certain braid pattern that she usually do when she does other people's hair. Yes, she's like a little hairstylist. So we all learned how to do hair, all three of my sisters. But back to me. So I'm getting my front braided. She added some hair. You probably don't see it, but she added just enough so my around my edges that my hair won't come tangled out. I don't know how to explain it, but so my hair won't come out at the edges of my hair because they're so thin. So right here you just see half of it's already done, and I'm like, thank you Lord, because she is heavy-handed and she did hurt my head. So this is what the braid pattern looks like before she puts in the loose hair. Yes, I got some dandruff going on, but we're gonna still do this hairstyle. I'm gonna still look cute. I love it. Thanks sis, thanks for braiding up my head. So now you see us putting in this curly hair. So I'm helping her, by the way. As you can see on the chair, I'm pulling apart little pieces so she can decide on which piece she want to put in, because I do have a mixture of different types of hair. Uh-oh, where's she going? Girl, come back. Come do my hair, girl. But yeah, so you see the black and the blonde pieces of hair. So I'm just pulling them apart, and like I said, she's gonna figure out where she wants to put it at. So I used a 4 color 27 and a TP 427. So I paused it right here so y'all can see it. It's the Shake and Go brand, and Freetress Shake and Go brand. I really like that brand of hairstyle when I'm using a loose hair, but there's many out there, guys, but at this time this is the go-to for me. And so she is going to continue putting in these loose pieces, and yeah guys, just keep watching. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to talk about how many knots she made in my hair as she put the loose hair in. So she did about 3 to 4 knots, and the more that you have, the better the hair to stay in. This hair is kind of silky, so it will become loose if you even only do 1 knot. So it's best to do at least 3 to 4 knots. Also, another thing you can do is spray in some spritz where the knots are at. But make sure you moisturize your hair, because you don't want your hair to get dry and damaged and you know, cause damage to your hair. So make sure when you do the spritz, oil your hair and make sure your hair is good and protected before you do the spritz. But yeah, I just forgot to let y'all know about that.
That's a lot of things.
You like my hair?
Yeah, you're so pretty.
Come here.
I'm so pretty. You're so pretty.
Tell the camera.
My
Tell the camera. Look. Tell the camera and say she's so pretty.
I'm so pretty. Come on,
the face. Yeah, my daughter didn't even care. She hit me, so I had to put her down. But guys, this is the finished look. It's all done. It's so cute and big. I'm telling you, this is huge, but I like big hair. So I'm just giving you a little visual and, you know, give you a little pose just to see how the hair looks. I just like it so much. You did a good job. Thanks again, sis. So at the end of the video, you're going to see a couple pictures of me all, you know, spiced up in the face and everything, looking cute with some eyelashes. But yeah, guys, don't forget to comment and subscribe, guys, and keep watching my videos. I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.